Hey there, I'm Sebastian Lau, and I'm here to help you get into our new Skyward Qmlativ system now that we finished our migration from Skyward. There are several ways to access Skyward Qmlativ, depending on whether you're a student, parent, or a staff member. We'll start all of these with our website, dist428.org. If you're a student, you can access Skyward Qmlativ by going to the student page under Student Resources, then scrolling down to Resources and clicking Skyward. From this sign-in page, click on the Sign In with Google button. You should be able to sign in with your student ID ending in @d428.org. This should get you in. If not, you should contact helpdesk@d428.org for assistance. If you're a parent, scroll down and under Parent Resources, click Skyward. From here, enter the email and password that you used in the old version of Skyward to get in. If you're having trouble getting in, you should contact your oldest child's school for assistance. If you're a staff member, go to Staff Resources. Then under Other, click on Skyward Employee Access. From here, click on the Sign In with Google button, and you should be able to sign in with your district account ending in @d428.org. This should get you in. If not, contact helpdesk@d428.org for assistance. When you get in, you'll see that things look a lot different than they did before. Here's how to navigate. You'll see a couple of quick access buttons, which will vary depending on the kind of access you have, whether it be student, family, employee, or administrative. You can navigate using either these shortcuts or by clicking on this green menu icon and finding the category you want on the list that shows up. This menu is also how you switch what kind of access you're in. If you're an employee and you don't have the kind of access you believe you should have, you should email helpdesk@d428.org for help. Let's navigate the menu with an example in mind: Employee Profile. From the starting page, you could either click Employee Profile here, or you can go to the green box, click Employees, then Employee Profile. Feel free to click around and get a feel for the new system. Now let's go over how to use the Skyward Qmlativ mobile app. First, you'll need to download the app from either the App Store or from Google Play. Then, when you open it, you'll be asked to create a passcode. Do this, and then, when it asks you to find your organization, go to the Postal Code tab, and then type in 60115. DeKalb CUSD 428 should come up. You'll sign in here using the same method you did for the desktop version. Sign in with Google for students and staff, or username and password for our families. Though this time, you'll need to add an account description, which is just how the app refers to your account. Please note that if you were previously using the Skyward app with the old version of Skyward, you'll need to delete your added account, like so, and then re-add it. Once you get in, you'll be greeted with a smaller version of the desktop version, which can then be navigated much like its counterpart, with the menu icon in the lower left-hand corner instead. So that should be everything you need to get into Skyward Qmlativ. If you have any questions as a student or a staff member, you should email helpdesk@d428.org. Or if you're a parent, you can contact your oldest child's school. Thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day.